Okay, so how are you? It's a very cold and brisk day here in November, which is probably my second favorite month, or I would say late October is my favorite. But I wanted to talk today about the state of my YouTube channel, which I take very seriously, which is something that I really love. And it's something I'm very serious about. And I just like to say that, it's all about those who are with me, those in my community that really make it exciting and make me want to work hard and make me want to do things that are out of the ordinary or extraordinary. Like today, I went ahead and upgraded my video manipulation software, which is pretty cool. It has some really good motion capture. I can capture things on, let's say, webcams, and so that's very exciting. So it's sort of pushing it to the next level. I also have things such as gimbals. So you see here, I'm able to walk and not have crazy shake. And this is a gimbal, so that's pretty cool. So I'm putting money where my mouth is, right? Or money where my heart is. So that's what I think we really should do. And just showing my subscribers, members of the Ink Flingers community, that I'm taking this seriously, that it's not a game, that it's something that I'm really pushing to the next level. Now in 2018, I have almost 1,800 subscribers, which is pretty cool. And that's, I feel pretty proud and thankful for my subscribers and those who follow and believe in what I'm doing. I really am happy about that. So that makes me feel good. And I know 2019, I'm just going to not rest on my laurels and really push to get to that next level, to that next plateau, and help more people and inspire more people to push their airbrushing, to work in India ink, a medium that really is not getting its due, but it's so much more exciting, I think, than working with other mediums with the airbrush. And we're going to be doing color, different subject matter, and also with the community, I'm having a YouTube channel and my blog where we can all post our work in airbrush and India ink and see where it's going, and that's going to be really interesting. So right here I'm in my hometown of Little Ferry, New Jersey, and you can see I have rather beautiful scenery here, and taking advantage of that on this really wonderful November day. I'm supposed to be looking there, and there's a little tiny, this is on my phone actually, believe it or not. With the gimbal it looks very professional, so I gotta continue looking there, not looking over there. But so yeah, Thanksgiving here in the United States, which was really great, and I am thankful for my community and thankful for the ability to spend time with my community and the ability to grow as artists together. This is sort of just like a state of the YouTube channel, so to speak. And I'm going to be doing some really cool things with video. and I'm going to be doing more video. I'm going to be offering full-length videos for purchase. But these are not just your average full-length videos. These are not just something that you see already. The price is going to be much lower. The content is going to be much more rich. And the whole idea is with you in mind. Now, learning with India Ink is so much more exciting for those who are beginning, because you don't have to worry about medium. You don't have to worry about extenders, or you don't have to worry about when we're doing black and white, you don't have to worry about color. You're just learning how to manipulate the airbrush, which is really fantastic. And I think it's going to be groundbreaking for a lot of people. Once you go ahead and you do the India ink for a while, then you can move into acrylic or anything like that, because then you got to worry about thickness and tip dry almost immediately, clogging of the airbrush. None of that is going to happen. So that's why the India ink is so much better than if you were starting with Createx or Golden or Liquitex or any of the airbrush paints out there. So it's really exciting, and I think it's going to really bring your airbrushes alive and make you artists who are very, very knowledgeable and just fluent in the airbrush. So that's very important to me, and that's why I'm doing these videos. And they're not going to be very expensive. They're going to be a very good price, but I'm also going to continue my Wednesday night live streams, which everyone really loves. I really love them. I really enjoy hanging out and talking to you guys, and you know, we get new people all the time. We have our regulars, which all week I just look forward to hanging with you guys. So this is my gimbal. I haven't used it in a while, so I'm just going to do more of these, maybe once a week, just talk about what's going on with the channel. So we have the new video software, and we're using more of the gimbal. I'm doing more of maybe a weekly state of the channel, a state of the community address, so that's going to be pretty cool. So I'm really excited and looking forward to seeing you guys Wednesday night at 9:30.